Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Okay, in the previous topic we have discussed about the first unit MCQs, and today we are going to discuss about the second unit MCQs, which is Olympic value education, or you can also say Olympic movements, right? So let's start with the first question, which is what does the rings of Olympic represent? Okay, you have to tell what the Olympic rings represent. Option A is 5 countries, 5 continents, 5 ocean, or 5 sports. Okay, think about it, and you have 3 seconds for each question. Okay, the right answer is option B, 5 continents. The 5 Olympic rings represent the 5 continents of the world. Okay, now you can ask the question that we have 7 continents, then why only 5 continents are there in the Olympic rings? A single ring is representing South America and North America both, right? And the Antarctica is a polar region, that's why that continent is not included in this. Okay, move to the next question, which is where were the first Olympic held? As you know very well, okay, your options are Atlanta, B Rome, C Athens, and D India. Okay, and the last option India. India never hosted the Olympic Games, so this is out from your answer. Now the right answer is what? Option C, which is Athens. Athens is a city from where Olympic Games started. Okay, the next question is who declares the opening of the Olympic Games in stadium? Option A, President of IOC. Option B, Member of IOC. Option C, President or Prime Minister of host uh, country. And option D, Chief Minister of any state of host country. Okay, think about it. What is the right answer? That is option C, President or Prime Minister of that country, right? Here we are talking about the opening ceremony, and in the closing ceremony, who declares the closing of the Olympic movements? That time the President of IOC, International Olympic Committee, okay, the President of IOC declares the Olympic movements closed. Okay, move to the next question, which is when the first Winter Olympic held. Now, when the first Winter Olympic held? 1922, B 1924, C 1928, and D 1934. So the right answer is option B 1924. In the 1924, Chimenox, which is in the France, hosted first Winter Olympic Games. Okay. The next question is which of the following is the governing body of modern Olympic Games? Okay, option A IOC, option B ICC, option C COI, and option D IOA. So what is the correct answer? That is option A, which is IOC. International Olympic Committee is the governing body of the Olympic Games, or we can say modern Olympic Games. It was created or established in 23rd June 1894. Okay, move to the next question. From which country originated Olympics? Okay, now that was the last question. In that question there was city. In this question this is asking about the country. So option A is USA, B Italy, C Greece, and D France. So your right answer is Greece. Okay, C is the right answer because Athens is the capital of Greece. Okay, move to the next question, which is who was the first president of IOC, International Olympic Committee? Option A, Baron de Coubertin. B, Dr. Nehru. C, Demetrius Viculus, and option D, Father Dedon. So your right answer is option C. Demetrius Vikelis was the first president of IOC. Option Question 8 is period between Olympic Games is known as option A vacation, B fermata, C Olympiad, and D Olympic break. Okay, do you know there will be 4 years gap after every Olympic moment, or after every Olympic Games. Okay, so the gap of between these 4 years is called, right answer is option C Olympiad. The next question is question number 9. The Olympic motto has the following words. Option A Citius, B Altius, and C Fortius, and last option is D all of the above. As you know, this is the right answer, all of the above, because these three are the Olympic motto: Citius, Altius, Fortius, which means faster, higher, and stronger. Okay, and the motto of Olympic Games, it means Citius, Altius, Fortius, was given by the father Didon. Okay, move to the next question, which is first Indian to participate in modern Olympics was, who was that person? We have to give answer. Option A is Milkha Singh, option B Norman Pritchard, option C PT Usha, or D Pansing Tomar. Okay, then the right answer is Norman Pritchard. Spelling mistake is here, this is R. Okay, Pritchard. Okay, the right answer is Norman Pritchard. Okay, these were the series of the 10 questions. Here you can see this is the Olympic flame, and how Olympic flame burns, or how it lighted. You can search this link in the YouTube, and you will see a different thing, how the Olympic flame burned and how it was carried by the other sports person. Here is a special fact, because Olympic flame burned or lighted by the sun rays. Okay, thank you so much for today.